Passage number 3.
Mary was an English girl, but she lived in Rome. She was 6 years old. Last year, her mother said to her, "You're 6 years old now, Mary, and you're going to begin going to a school here. You're going to like it very much, because it's a nice school." "Is it an English school?" Mary asked. "Yes, it is," her mother said. Mary went to the school and enjoyed her lessons. Her mother always took her to school in the morning and brought her home in the afternoon. Last Monday, her mother went to the school at 4 o'clock, and Mary ran out of her class. "We've got a new girl in our class today, Mummy," she said. "She's 6 years old too, and she's very nice. But she isn't English. She's German." "Does she speak English?" Mary's mother asked. "No, but she laughs in English," Mary said happily.
Exercise A. Which of these sentences are true and which are false? Write T or F in the boxes. Number 1.
Mary went to an English school.
Number 2.
She didn't like her school.
Number 3.
Her mother took her to school.
Number 4.
The new girl in Mary's class was English.
Number 5.
The new girl in Mary's class was German.
Number 6.
The new girl laughed like an English girl.
Exercise B. Now answer these questions. Number 1.
Where did Mary live?
Number 2.
What did her mother say to her when she was 6?
Number 3.
What did Mary ask?
Number 4.
What did her mother say?
Number 5.
How did Mary like her school?
Number 6.
What did she say to her mother last Monday?
Number 7.
What did her mother ask?
Number 8.
What did Mary say then?
إذا أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والتعليق، ولكي يصلك كل جديد اشترك الآن.